I've used this eufy pet water fountain for about a year and a half, and it's just constantly running almost 24/7. And sometimes I get this blinking red light issue, but that's an easy fix. It just usually means it's not getting a good connection with the base. And you can see here, it's just getting dirty over time. So we're going to make sure it's nice and clean, and make sure you focus on the inside here too. And I'm just using a Q-tip to make it a little bit easier to reach in there. And let's see if it works. If not, we're going to give more extra attention to the tub itself. So we're going to remove this and make sure that's also clean. And then also focus in here on this little metal piece that's inside. So also using a Q-tip to just kind of get the grime that might be in there. And we're going to wash it with some soap and water. And make sure you get the bottom of it and the inside of it. And we're going to put everything back together and fill it with water. And now it should be good to go. And this has been the eufy Pet Water Fountain.